Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 23rd video in Open Computer Vision. So in the previous video we have created a simple example of foreground extraction using GraphCat algorithm. So this is from the previous video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can do corner detection using CornerHarris algorithm. So it's also called feature detection. Now in the feature detection we can detect corners or blobs like this. So first let me import CV2. Also I need to import numpy as np. Also you need to have an image. I have already copied an image, so it's a cheeseboard.png. And now let me first we need to load our image cv2.mread, and our image name is board.png. And in the board you can see that these are the corners like this, and these are the corners, for example for this these are the corners. And so board.png, and now we need to convert this to the grayscale color, cv2.cvt color, and we need to convert this to convert our img image to cv2.color bgr2 gray. After this, now we need to convert this to float 32, so gray np.float 32 our gray image. Okay, now we are going to create our CornerHarris algorithm. So cv2.CornerHarris, and we are going to write our gray. So it takes some parameters. The first one is it's corner. Okay, the first one is our image. We are going to add our gray image in here. The second one is the block size, and we can tell that this is the size of the window considered for the corner detection, and we are going to give 2 for this. The third and this parameter is the third parameter is the k size. So it is a parameter for the derivative of the Sobel. Now the Sobel operator defines how sensitive corner detection is. It must be between 3 and 31 and be an odd value. So you can give 3 up to 31 value in here, and it should be odd value. You need to give, for example, 3, 5, 3 or 5 like this. So first let me give 3. Let me give for example 23 here, and the last one is the k. It is a free parameter for the Harris equation, and we are going to give it 0.04 for this. And now after this we are going to create image dst greater than 0.1 times dst.max and also it is okay. Now we need to give a color. So when you want to detect the corners, you need to give a color for them. For example, I want to give it a red color, so like this. Now we need to show our image Harris corner detection, and we need to give our img cv2.wait key and cv2.destroy all windows. Okay, so now let me just run this. Hopefully I don't get any error. I have an error in here. color BGR to gray. In line 6, CVT convert color IMG BGR to gray. Okay guys, I think there's no problem in my code. The problem is in the name. So I have a misspelled in here. This is board.png and board.png like this. So now let me just run it again. Okay, now you can see I have in here corners, so you can see like this. Okay, I have said that you can change this to 3, and if you to make it 3, it will show, I think, a good result. Yeah, now you can see that we have the corners like this, and these are the corners. So thank you guys. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video.